Good afternoon, everyone. This is Virgil here at Redo Banshee Parts and Accessories. We recently have a new arrival. Just bought this bike. Just going to kind of go over a little bit with you and just let you know what will be soon be added to our inventory. This is a 1990. This is a J-arm bike. It has a, I believe it's a powder coat white frame on it. As you can see, it has a cool head. Has an older set of FMF Gold Series pipes on there. Also the older series silencers on here. Probably period correct for the year of bike. Has a +6 rear swing arm on it. Has over here on the side, along with the cool head, they've polished the side case cover, and then it's got Cascade insert, a Cascade water pump cover on there. This engine runs really good, fires right up, has lots of power. It needs that 6-inch swing arm on there. I will be doing a compression test on it here soon, and when I post the engine on the website, it'll have that information of how much compression it has. It has another one of our gripper seats on here. I'm becoming more and more of a fan of those. It has an unusual tan paint color on here. They just painted over the stock plastics. I believe the plastics are white and red. The tank banner and the radiator shroud are red underneath, I believe. Set of some aftermarket LED lights. Looks like the front shocks are of a later vintage on the front, so those have been replaced. I'll be checking the ball joints and everything on those J-arms. I know there's a few guys out there that like those J-arms. Other than that, it has just a lot of other OEM parts on there that we will be adding to our stock, and look for it soon on the website. You can give us a call at 541-419-6054 or go on our website at redo-parts.com. Have a good day, guys.